that your name, Eric?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do with the Play-Doh, okay? We're going to take a little piece off. Can you take a little piece off of your Play-Doh? Just a little piece? Nope. And we're going to roll it in your hand. We're going to make long snakes. You know why? I want you to do the letters. Do you know what letter is your first letter, Mary?
M.
M. Can you roll it M for me? Roll it out and then make what's your first letter? A. So you're going to make an A. So make your snake look like an A. Roll it like this in your hand and it will make a long snake. Oh, you're going to do little dots? He's making a dot in. So Merrick doesn't want to roll his. He's going to put dots down. Are you shaping it like an M? Yeah, show me an M. Can you shape it like your M? Oh, good job, Aspen. So now can we make an A out of that?
A rectangle.
Oh, yeah. Is a rectangle the shape of an M? Show me how your M looks.
It's a rectangle.
Oh, you're making a big M.
I'm making a
Okay, can you make an A out of that?
rectangle.
Which way does the A go? There you go. And then you need another little snake, don't you? Can you show me your A? I want to see how you
Look at that one.
M with Play-Doh.
There's one in here.
You're going to put your M inside of there?
What, you want the yellow one?
Okay, she's rolling another one to do the rest of her A. Oh, you might not need it all. I think that little one's big enough, don't you? Now you need a lot of it? Okay, you're rolling that. And then what is the next letter you're going to roll? I'll see. You're not going to tell me what comes after your A?
Yay! I made a rectangle.
Okay, now let's make it an
Is that
M
cool? Did you see
with
it?
that. Can you roll it and make your M?
Let's see, can I have the yellow
Okay,
one?
let's see. Is that going to fit?
Okay, do you want to stick something in there?
Oh, you're
can't.
making your second letter.
Or look at it now.
What is that letter? S. It looks like a little snake. Are you missing something on your A?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.